So LotusWorks are in operation for the last 35 years. We provide support to our customers in calibrations, operations and maintenance, project management, reliability and commissioning.
LotusWorks provide a lot of services that are above and beyond what you would normally expect. We have the strength of the LotusWorks network, and we have all of the years of experience accumulated on this site and all of the other sites, which are all networked together. Our team are 24/7 here. That team gets supported by our shift lead, by our site lead, and by all of the engineers who will respond to any query, question or challenge that they may have in the evenings, at night or over the weekend.
LotusWorks provides industry-specific knowledge to our clients. So we work with a range of different pharmaceutical multinational companies, and our knowledge and expertise in being an engineering partner of choice in those industries really define us from our competitors. So our team are engaged in lean mentality. We do a CI program across all of the sites that we work on in order to deliver tangible savings to all of our clients. So our team would work in a range of different projects on an individual and on a group basis. And we would work with the client in order to deliver savings that are come in efficiency, cash, or in productivity improvements.
The team really perform and provide the best levels of support that any company could ask for.